Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing something fun. Another YouTuber, Nails by Shay, tagged me in a video, 21 products she's taking into 2021, so now I get to do it. So we're going to be going over 21 things that I will be taking with me this year and continuing to use, or starting to use, and some things that I'm not going to be moving forward with. So this is kind of fun because it's all of my favorite stuff you don't normally get to see, like outside of reviews and stuff, but I don't review everything, and some stuff I really love. So thank you, Nails by Shay. I'll link her YouTube in the description so you guys can check her out. She just started her channel, and it's a lot of cool haul stuff, and you know, we all like to watch a good haul video. So first things first, they're technically bead storage cases, but I get them at Walmart in the craft style, and they come with these little jars and a neat little carrying case. I use them for like when I want to make custom acrylic, or you know, store something that's in a bigger jar or whatever, and it's like $5 for all of these, and they are super handy, pretty good size. So these I love. Check those out, especially if you're mixing your own. These are really handy, and they're very, very sturdy. They're not like weak plastic, so definitely check those out. Oh, ooh. I kicked my table. Okay, number 2, ceramic bits. I got my first ceramic bits a couple months ago, and I am in love. Like, I really don't want to use anything else, so I've been using this bit set like crazy. That's all I'm really using other than my removal bits are these. So these are the Melody Susie ones, and I've been using them daily. They're not worn down at all. They don't heat spike. I love them. All right, number 3. I'm saving the best for last, so we're gonna go through the small stuff first. Number 3 are these. I just got a few weeks ago. They are Pine brand gel polishes. Let's see. And I got this set for, I think, like $8 or $9, but the cool part about these is it's literally almost one coat to get full coverage. This stuff is super thick, excellent coverage. And I had never heard of the brand before, but I'm in love. And they make some really good cat eye polishes too. So check them out if you get a chance. Or if you're looking for some good gel polish, like literally one coat, it's done. All right, what's next? Let's see. All right, I got these glitters from Tropixotic. And when I tell you they look like fire when you put them on, I mean, they look like fire under acrylic. They are amazing. She's got a whole line of glitter on her site. It's tropixotic.com. So if you're looking for great, really good quality glitter, that's where you get it. Next up is her acrylic. I just discovered this. She just launched her website. This is the Plush Blush. I love this acrylic. It's gorgeous, super pigmented, lays really smooth, like excellent quality. Again, just discovered her. Awesome, awesome acrylic. Let's see, and my old standby favorites, the Glam Trap House stuff. I've never seen glow in the dark acrylic like she makes. This is a nude. This nude glows in the dark too. The Angel Glow is the only white I really use. And the Black Mamba. You guys know how I feel about the Black Mamba. I use it all the time. It's got a nice hollow glitter, so Glam Trap House I will be continuing with because they are my all-time favorites of, you know, in life ever. Okay, number 7. Number 7 is my UV flashlight. You guys have seen me use it before. It's for when I want to spot cure. They sell these at Home Depot, Menards, wherever. It's basically like a lamp in flashlight form. It's not as strong, but you can, if you're doing gems or whatever and don't want to travel to the lamp and have them slide, this is great for that. Yeah, it's like $10, super handy. I'll be taking that. Next up are my files. Ooh. My files. 80/80 grit files. These will change your game in shaping. Like, totally changed my work, made it 100 times better. Get you some good shaping files. Make sure they're good quality. Either the Panna Zebra ones, or I like these two, the Iridesi. I think it's like 12 for $7. They're really good quality, and they make your shape super crisp. The other files I like to use are the Markartt 100 ones. These are great for shaping and or finishing. This gives you a good round file around the cuticle. So those are the files I will be taking with me. I will not be taking any more cheap files because it's just not worth it. It's twice as much work. So that was number 8. Number 9, my Xacto knife. This thing has come in handy more times than I can count. Go ahead and don't get the dollar store one. Get the Xacto knife. It's definitely worth a couple extra bucks because a lot sturdier. They work a lot better. Number 10 is my cuticle oil from the Glam Trap House, the one with the little gold flakes in it. They exfoliate the skin around the cuticles, and this stuff has some crazy goodness in it. I don't know what it is, but trust me, it's the best I've ever used. So number 11, I just got this Lavender Violet gel matte top coat, and it is one of the best matte top coats I've ever used. It is insane. It's like velvety. It doesn't have that shiny look that some of them do. I love it. Where were we at? Okay, number 12. I got the Slick Pour in my mystery boxes over Black Friday. This stuff is amazing. It works great as dip, as acrylic, whatever. And the colors are super pigmented, and I love them. Totally worth it. Number 13. I got this in a mystery bag from the Glam Trap House. It's LA Palm 1 Second Nail Glue, and this stuff is the truth. Like, it's amazing. I love it. Works immediately, doesn't pop off, doesn't dry, crack, anything like that. Like, it's great. Wait, where am I at? I keep losing count, guys. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Number 15. Young Nails Protein Bond. Never had a nail pop off. This one I had to actually cut off because I bashed it. Never had a nail pop off. It's everything they say it is. Number 16. I just finally got to try out Naio nails, and it is so good. Hang on, let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you a swatch of this. I got one that Nails by Shay sent to me to try out before I buy it. And this one is Gold Rush, and it is so gorgeous. Like, it's got a really cool 3D effect with the gold flake, and it is just beautiful. So I will definitely be buying more Naio nails. Number 16. My nail polish remover. I get this at Walmart. It's like $2.70 for the big bottle, and why pay more? Like, it's always worked great. I've never had a problem with it. For $2, you can't beat it. Number 18 is this stupid little cup that I got on Amazon. But let me show you what it does. So you put acetone in here, and you can either condition your brushes in this or just use them to hold it. But in the bottom of the cup is this little grid that you can run the brush back and forth to, like, scrub out any acrylic or anything in it, and then you put the lid back on so that it doesn't dry out, and it has been a lifesaver. All right, let's see. Number 19, my monomer. I just discovered this last year. It's scented, it's really low odor, and I love it. Like, this is basically what I use now unless I'm doing a review. Really good price. I think I paid like $30 something for this big 32 ounce. Like, really, really good stuff. Number 20, my XXL sculpted tips that I got from Proper Beauty on Instagram. These things are insane, and you can get any length and any shape out of them. So you really can't go wrong with it. I really couldn't sculpt anything longer than that, you know? Like, they are insanely long. Plus, I have really wide nail beds. Look at that. I have really wide nail beds, and usually size 0 doesn't fit me, and on these they do. So I use them for all my extra longs. It doesn't matter what shape. So those will be going with me. Now, before I do the last one, I do want to talk about some things that I'm not going to be doing this year, and with good reason. I'll be explaining why. So this year I will not be buying cheap crap to practice with. I know you don't want to spend a bunch of money on stuff you're just going to practice with, but honestly, it slows you down so much when you have bad quality products. Like these little kits that they sell on Amazon. This stuff is barely even acrylic, and the amount of work you're going to have to do to compensate for it as a beginner, you're not going to know how to do that, and it's just going to slow you down so much. So by the time you figure out how to work with it, you could have already been damn near doing professional sets. It's really just not worth it. Like, I get that this stuff is expensive, but spend the extra. It will save you so much time. All right, something else I will not be taking with me. These odor out drops. These are almost worse than the monomer. Like, honestly, they make the monomer worse. Not worth it. Don't buy them. It's a waste of money. Something else I won't be taking with me. Gelatin. I don't know why I got these gel polishes, and I just don't care for them. They're not great quality. The colors are kind of blah. Like, and I have a couple sets of them, and all of them are kind of like that, you know? They're kind of like dollar store gel polish. I don't care for them. Cheap tips. I will not be taking these either. These are the like $5 a box coughing tips off of Amazon. And the sizing is inconsistent on them, and it's almost every box like this that I've got on Amazon. The sizing is inconsistent completely. Like, you can see size 2 and 3 are shorter than size 4, which doesn't make any sense. And 4 is wider and bigger than them, which it should be smaller. Like, and this is with every box of these I've gotten. Doesn't matter which company. I'm not going to be using cheap tips anymore. Like, they're a waste of time. Takes you twice as long to shape. Like I said, just invest in yourself, and you'll just do so much better. And I see a lot of people giving up because they can't seem to get anywhere. And a lot of times it's because they're using cheap products to practice with, and you can't compensate. You can't work around it. So just invest in yourself. Trust me. Another thing we are not going to be taking into 2021, crappy cheap brushes. That's why I started doing the brush videos. Like, I went through so many of them for trying to find a cheap one. Like, don't get me wrong, I have some great cheap ones. Don't just buy any brush. You can't work with just any brush. Like, yeah, you can make it work, but again, it's going to take you twice as long, so why bother? Like, I have some amazing $5 brushes, so why get a crappy $5 brush? Like, there are good brushes out there for cheap. And you know what? You're never going to regret investing in a good, high-quality brush, because it will last you forever, and it will make your work so much easier. So invest the money in it. I am going to be doing some more brush videos with Nail Dad, CADs, Pana, whatnot, so that we can go over the expensive brushes too. So these are going in the trash. I mostly keep them for example purposes, so I can show you what bad brushes look like. And okay, so number 21, the last thing I will be taking into 2021, Nails by Shay sent me a box full of stuff to try, and in it was glitter bells. The whole glitter bells set, like monomer and all. She sent this to me to try, and I kind of held back on purchasing it because they're a UK-based company. You know, sometimes it takes a little longer. I don't know. I don't know why I didn't take the plunge, and now I'm super upset because I finally tried it, and I had been looking for a collection to invest in, and I was thinking Valentino, and now this will be the one that I'll be trying. And I will be reviewing this later this week so that you guys can get a chance to check it out. But glitter bells is the biggest thing that I will be taking into 2021 with me, and thank you, Nails by Shay, for turning me on to this, because I was hesitant to take the plunge without trying it first, and now that I've got to try it, I'm absolutely happy to spend all my money there. Well, I also have the collection from the Glam Trap House coming, but this is my backup. I can show you guys some of the swatches. They are amazing. Even just the covers. Even just the covers are so clean and smooth and just beautiful. Like, the nudes, they're amazing. So we're going to be reviewing that later this week so you guys can get a good look at it. But so that's where we're at for 2021. That's the stuff I'll be taking with me and the stuff I'm going to be getting rid of. I am now going to tag someone else. So I am tagging Nail Desires by Des, so she has to do it next. But I haven't told her yet, so she'll get this shortly and probably have some words for me, but that's okay. She's a sweetheart. Also check out her channel. She just started recently too, and she does some amazing work. But I will link, I'm going to tag her in this so you guys will see her in the comments, and I'm going to link her YouTube channel down there as well. So if you guys have any questions about anything you saw here, I will be listing everything in the description if you want to know where I got any of this stuff. But otherwise, same as always. Thanks for watching.